Kambuni ya MultiChoice na iria irugamirire kambuni ta GoTV oro ndumwe na dstv nimeraniire gukorwo makiagirithia mautungata mao na makiria kuri muingi na u ni thutha wa gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere wa kuonania Mbitika itiganite ta ligi ya Ngeretha niyo EPL serie na riu makiongerera Mbitika cia Europa League mubango-ini wa GoTV Plus. Oho kambuni ino ni rutaniirie uhoro wiigie ukuria wa taranda kuria manyitite guoko athaki a ngerakano na gukorwo makimahee handu ha gukorwo magicionaniria.
No question would have been addressed. Ladies and gentlemen, that being said,
so the good thing is, once again, we're going to have all the 380 Premier League games on our DSTV. And of course, this is for subscribers that are on compact upwards. But again, we do have games across all the bouquets, including even customers who are sitting on light and access, who will get one game every weekend, and of course 2 games for those who are sitting on family, and all the way to compact, who will watch all the 380 games live on their platform.
So the Premier League is now available to literally
across to all bouquets on DSTV.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that one is special. A round of applause for that. Is now available across all bouquets, especially on DSTV.
So, there's been commentary on different languages. Of course, English with Martin Tyler, and of course, the famous Peter Drury. But of course, there's been option for other languages like the Portuguese, Amharic in Ethiopia, Pidgin in Nigeria. But of course, now we also have an option to select our very own Swahili. I think this is something that we've been hearing on all our communication with our customers, be it face-to-face, on our social media handles, our call center, that they want to have a lot more of the EPL. And for the first time, we kicked off this new football season with a brand new package on a GoTV, which is a GoTV Super Plus, which is going to have all the 380 Premier League games for GoTV subscribers.
No, you need to say that again. GoTV has?
GoTV Super Plus will have 380 games of the Premier League for the first time.
Absolutely. Phenomenal. Yeah. All the 380 games will be live and you can enjoy them on GoTV Super Plus. But not just the Premier League, we have more on it, right?
Yes. So once again, just like on DSTV, all these 380 games will be available on our GoTV Super Plus. But the light customers, the value customers will continue. They will also get one game every week of EPL. But our max, our plus customers will also get 2 games every weekend. So it doesn't mean just because you are not on GoTV Super Plus, you're not going to have the Premier Leagues. No. Furthermore, I think